So what's up, YouTube? Y'all see the title. Today we're actually going to go weigh the car. It's like 2 a.m. right now, so I gotta go take some of the stuff out of the car so we can get an accurate weight. I got this with me, so it can help me get some of the stuff out. So if you guys new to the channel, this is a 2017 Mustang GT Performance Pack. In 2015 to 17 body style, there was no PP1, PP2, just Performance Pack or non-Performance Pack. So this is the heavier option, has a 401A. You can see it's got the leather there. It's got the bigger infotainment system, so it is already a heavier car with the Performance Pack goodies and all that stuff. I've done a little bit of weight reduction, but I haven't really done much. Now, I'll show you guys why I have this. I do have a bunch of tools and stuff in the back of my car and jumper cables and other stuff, so it's probably about a good, I'd say maybe 80 to 130 pounds extra back here with this stuff, and as well as my fire extinguisher. I got that after a little mishap happened. I do actually have a mount for this, spray Kraus, but I have to buy another piece to mount it up to this. These seats are coming out anyways in the future, so I don't know, I might have to modify the mount, but that's not coming out. However, I'm gonna be taking all this stuff out so we can get as close to accurate as possible on the scale to see what the car is weighing. So when we start changing more parts, like we have a drive shaft coming in soon, we're gonna, you know, really see how much weight we can take out without going too crazy. I wanna have a baseline number that's as accurate as possible. The fire extinguisher will always be in there, so it's not like it's adding a ton of weight. It has lighter motor mounts, has an exhaust, which the stock exhaust is like really heavy. So exhaust sheds a lot of weight. Aside from that, a lightweight flywheel, but it's not a lot of weight reduction. I mean, I've added a bunch of suspension parts to this car, so most of those parts were about the same weight, if not heavier than the stock parts. These cars stock weigh about 3,700 pounds, is what it says on the title. So, I mean, I've taken some weight out, but I've also added some weight with other parts, so really just want to see what, you know, get a accurate ballpark. So everything's out of the car now. Nothing else is in there aside from the extinguisher that's not coming out. Hopefully I won't be needing any of my tools, at least until I get back home. And hopefully the car won't be weighing anything over like 3,750, I'm hoping for. We'll see. I'll get back with you guys in a few hours. All right, so we're on the way now to get some E85. I got a couple classes. About getting the 85 here is that somebody's always blocking the damn pump, so you gotta wait to see if we can squeeze in. Okay, that's a little bit of space. You guys just heard the clip of the downshift, so yeah, it is pretty loud. It's an FBO E85 Mustang. It's got Kooks headers, AW exhaust. I'll actually be on a dyno next video seeing how much power it makes on the E85. Only gonna put in a couple gallons, put it between like a 1.5 tank. All right, so I put in just above 4 gallons. So that put us at just under half a tank. Every gallon of E85 weighs about 6.5 pounds. So this being a 16-gallon tank, just under half, we can calculate how much the fuel's weighing. But I'll catch up with you when I get out of class, so that way we can go weigh this car. All right, so we're approaching the gas station now. It's right over there. Hopefully it's not too much truck traffic so we can get in and get out. We got the scale right over there. Driving around now. This road is terrible. I'm just personal weighing. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. right, well, let's go see how much it weighs. All right, so it was only $13. Not bad. 3,800 pounds. Like I said, it is a 401A package. Most of the stuff I've added is either about the same or heavier weight wise, so not too far off. I mean, 50 pounds off of 3,750, not bad. 3,800. So now we know we starting that and let the weight reduction begin. All right, so hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, man. Definitely hit the notification bell, subscribe, like, leave a comment, you know. But yeah, definitely gotta start some weight reduction. It's a little bit on the heavy side, but not too bad. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that quick clip of getting the weight of the car. And follow us on Instagram, man, throttle_havoc. But that'll be it into today's video, man. So I'll catch you on the next one.